my channel and welcome if you're new here, okay? I am going to do a Halloween video today, you guys. In honor of spooky season, I'm gonna do a video making my own costume because I know that a lot of us are down and out right now. We just gotta make it happen. You feel me? So that's what I did this year. I said, yeah, I'm not buying a costume because I'm gonna pay what, $80, $90 for a costume, and then what, I don't use it again after that? No. So today, you guys, I'm gonna show you how to make your own costume, which should be really fun because these are things that you can literally easily find at home. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so first things first, of course, you're gonna need some scissors, which I know y'all got scissors. Second, you're going to need Post-its, but if you have construction paper, you can also use construction paper. I have black construction paper and I didn't have pink, so I'm just using this kind of color Post-it because it kind of goes, yeah, even though it looks kind of orange, but whatever, I don't care, okay? They gonna know it's a cat. And then you guys, you just need a bodysuit or a black shirt and black jeans. Any option is okay with me, okay? I have a bodysuit because, I don't know, it's just giving cat to me. So all girls have bodysuits. Like, this is a common thing to have in your house. If you don't got one, then girl, what is you doing? So yeah, bodysuit. And then you guys need to have a little clip, like so, a little clip. So a little clip, some glue. It doesn't matter if it's the school ones. Yeah, that's the one I have. A headband, just any regular old headband. You could literally get this at the beauty supply, y'all, for like, I don't know, $1. So yeah. And then you need this, which I know every New Yorker has in the back of their coat, okay? So this one is for my Canada Goose. I am not gonna use this one because it's real fur. This is expensive. I'm not gonna be outside with this thing on my back, no. So you want to use one that you know you wouldn't care, you know, if it gets lost or whatever the case may be. So I'm using this North Face fur from a coat, y'all. I can't make this up. I'm really using this from a coat to attach it to my bodysuit. So you guys, let's get started with this video because I'm looking crazy, okay? And I'm trying to hit the streets, okay? And go to the party and get it on and poppin'. All right, so let's get started with this video. Okay, so first and foremost, what you want to do with the Post-it is make triangles, okay? Because these are going to be your ears. So we're going to cut about just a little and just go all the way up. All the way up. Just cut that whole thing right there. So, boom, that's settled. Okay, so this is exactly what we want, like a rectangular kind of paper. And now we're gonna get to the ears. So I have the ears, right? I have one ear here from my daughter's toy. And this is the kind of shape that we want. So that's what we're gonna do. If you want to do it like that, you can, but it's real easy to just cut a triangle. You can do it like that, or like an oval shape kind of triangle. That's all you have to do. So that's okay, you guys, so I have my pink right here, my pink ears, and now I'm just gonna cut up the black part. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna cut. I'm gonna put it in there, boop, like that, but I'm gonna glue it first so it doesn't move. guys, so that's what it should look like. Now we're gonna cut it up into another triangle. So let's get to it. I feel like my ears are a little too big, but I'm not tripping. I'm not, because you know what? It's fine. Okay. All right, you guys, I got my ears, okay? So now we're gonna move on to the headband part. So this is the headband part right here. If you don't have a headband, girl, go to the beauty supply. It's only like 99 cents to $1. So go to the beauty supply so we can do this next part together. Okay, all right. I'm gonna cut it up. Instead of wrapping it up how I said I was gonna do, I'm gonna do like this, y'all. I'm just gonna go around, see, like this, and glue it like that. So that's what we're gonna do, but we're gonna wrap it first. Make sure that it bends thoroughly. Boom, wham, bam, thank you, man. I know that's right. That's what y'all want it to look like. Boom. You see, you guys, that's what y'all want it to look like. That's what y'all want it to look like. Don't worry about how, if it don't look perfect or whatever, we gonna wrap it. You can leave it like this because ain't nobody gonna touch your headband anyway, so that's not gonna come off. But I'm gonna wrap it up from under because I want it to be secure. So we're gonna do it that way. Okay. So there you have it, you guys. That's the beginning. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna get the inside too a little bit. This is it. It looks a little messy, but it's okay because that's what we want on Halloween. Nothing has to look perfect. So this is perfectly fine to me. Now I'm just gonna add my ears. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to cut them a little bit. So now I just place that directly on top. I'm gonna bend it like this, place it directly on top, and voila! Oh my god, so cute. How I look? How I look, you guys? Ah, my ears. So now the most simplest part ever, which is the bodysuit. All you want to do is add the tail to the bodysuit and you got you a costume. Wasn't that so easy and so simple? Child, listen, I am not buying no costume. Real talk. Like, I'm just not. I'm from New York. We gonna make shit happen one way or another. So, yeah. Okay, you guys. So, for the second part, all you guys need is, like I said, your bodysuit that you got. This one is from, it says Popular 21. I'm pretty sure I got it from Fashion Nova. This is from Fashion Nova. And then you need a coat. You from New York, get you your fur, okay, from your coat and call it a day. I got my daughter's North Face. She doesn't like the fur on her coat. So this just be lying around. So I'm gonna use this North Face fur and a little clip to put on the bum area. So let's get started. Please, so we're gonna find the back of this, and you want to look for where you want the fur to go. So for me, I like my tail a little high because it just looks cuter that way. So I'm gonna place it like right above my booty, like right here. And I think that should be good. So let's add it right now. Just clip your bodysuit first, and then get your fur and clip that right after. Okay, you guys. Now we're gonna try it on and see how it looks. Look at that. Look at that. Look at, no, seriously? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, this is a whole costume. Are you kidding? This is a whole costume. Yeah, I'm not buying no more costumes. I can make my shit at home. So let me change up and let me show y'all what this look like. Tell me this ain't a look. Tell me this ain't a look. Bodysuit, my Doc Martens, my ears, and best part of all, look at the tail, y'all. Look at the tail. Look at the tail. Now tell me I didn't do something right now. And you don't have to get white headbands. You can just shorten the trip of wrapping the headband up. But I had this one at home because I have a child who loves bunnies. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use this and I'm going to just wrap it up. But you can always get a black headband. And all you got to do is the ears. Ta-da! Like, hello? And this is the best part for me. I can't believe I never thought of this before. But I was thinking one day, I'm like, what am I going to use as a tail? Because I didn't have anything. And then I was like, wait a minute. I could use my coat. I could use my coat's fur. Hey, it worked, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video because I sure did. This is definitely going to be my Halloween costume, okay? Because I ain't spending no money on something I'm only going to use for one day. So yeah, you guys, I just did my face. I did a nose and whiskers, and we calling it a day, honey. That was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this because I had a lot of fun doing it. And now you know you don't need to spend to get a costume. Just make it yourself. It's super easy, super simple. I'm telling y'all, try this out and you're gonna look super cute. You can even do this with black jeans and a black bodysuit under it, and it will look just as fly. You can use Doc Martens, Nikes, Jordans, whatever you want, period. And yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, make sure you follow, okay? Because it's lit on this side. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye.